Welcome to this algebra lesson on transforming parabolas. Specifically, we are going to master vertical shifts. This is one of the most fundamental concepts in understanding how to graph quadratic functions without using a table of values every single time. To understand shifts, we first need a starting point. This is the parent function, y equals x squared. Notice that its vertex, the turning point of the graph, sits perfectly at the origin, 0, 0. This is our baseline. Every other parabola we look at today will be a modification of this simple curve. Now, let's introduce a constant to our equation. We call this variable k. The equation becomes y equals x squared plus k. This number k is the key to vertical transformations. It directly tells us how far, and in which direction, to move the entire graph along the y-axis. Let's look at the first rule. If k is a positive number, meaning k is greater than 0, the graph shifts upward. It is that simple. You take the entire shape and slide it up by k units. For example, if you have y equals x squared plus 2, the plus 2 tells you to move up. Here is what that looks like visually. The dashed gray line is our original parent function starting at 0. The solid green line is our new function, y equals x squared plus 2. Notice that the shape of the parabola has not changed at all. It has not gotten wider or narrower. The only change is that every single point has been lifted up by exactly 2 units. Now for the opposite scenario. If k is a negative number, meaning k is less than 0, the graph shifts downward. When you see a minus sign after the x squared, think down. For instance, y equals x squared minus 3 means the entire graph drops by 3 units. Let's visualize this with y equals x squared minus 3. Again, compare the solid red line to the dashed gray parent function. The vertex has moved from 0, 0 down to 0, negative 3. The entire curve follows suit, shifting vertically without changing its width or opening direction. Let's put them side by side to clearly see the difference. On the left, adding a positive number lifts the graph. On the right, subtracting a number or adding a negative drops the graph. The value of k tells you the distance, and the sign of k tells you the direction. One of the most important skills is identifying the new vertex just by looking at the equation. For the parent function, the vertex is 0, 0. If we have x squared plus 2, the vertex becomes 0, 2. If we have x squared minus 3, the vertex becomes 0, negative 3. Generally speaking, for y equals x squared plus k, the vertex is always at 0, k. To wrap up, remember these key points. The general form for a vertical shift is y equals x squared plus k. A positive k moves the graph up, and a negative k moves the graph down. Finally, the new vertex will always be located at the coordinate 0, k. You have now mastered vertical shifts for parabolas.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.